What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have eggs and toast for breakfast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go for a run.
Do you work every day?
Yes, I work Monday to Friday.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 8 a.m.
Do you attend school?
Yes, I attend school during the week.
What subjects do you study?
I study math, science, and history.
Do you take your lunch to work?
Yes, I pack my lunch every day.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner most evenings.
Do you clean your house daily?
I clean a little bit every day.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch a show after dinner.
Do you read books at night?
Yes, I read before bed.
Do you water your plants?
Yes, I water them every morning.
Do you take a shower every day?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Do you use sunscreen?
Yes, I use sunscreen when I go outside.
Do you meditate?
Yes, I meditate for 10 minutes daily.
Do you practice yoga?
Yes, I do yoga twice a week.
Do you floss your teeth?
Yes, I floss every evening.
Do you meet friends often?
Yes, I meet them on weekends.
Do you call your family?
Yes, I call my parents daily.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I shop once a week.
Do you visit parks?
Yes, I visit the park on Sundays.
Do you eat out?
Sometimes I eat out on Fridays.
Do you use your phone every day?
Yes, I use it to check messages.
Do you work on your computer?
Yes, I work on my computer daily.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every evening.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch a few videos daily.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play games on weekends.
Do you go for walks?
Yes, I walk in the evening.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride my bike on weekends.
Do you garden?
Yes, I work in my garden daily.
Do you swim?
Yes, I swim in the summer.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play basketball every weekend.
Do you go to the grocery store?
Yes, I go once a week.
Do you visit the bank?
Yes, I go to the bank occasionally.
Do you take public transport?
Yes, I take the bus.
Do you buy coffee from a cafe?
Yes, I buy coffee sometimes.
Do you visit the library?
Yes, I go there to borrow books.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook for my family.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, we talk after dinner.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
Do you write a journal?
Yes, I write in my journal every night.
Do you go to bed early?
Yes, I sleep by 10 p.m.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink water throughout the day.
Do you recycle?
Yes, I recycle all my waste.
Do you smile often?
Yes, I smile whenever I am happy.
Do you take naps?
Yes, I take short naps sometimes.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan my day every morning.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I make my bed as soon as I wake up.
Do you check your emails in the morning?
Yes, I check them after breakfast.
Do you eat fruits for breakfast?
Yes, I eat a banana or an apple.
Do you listen to the news?
Yes, I listen to the news on the radio.
Do you open the windows in the morning?
Yes, I open them to let in fresh air.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, I take short breaks every 2 hours.
Do you drink tea at work?
Yes, I have a cup of tea in the afternoon.
Do you use a planner?
Yes, I use a planner to organize my tasks.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, I collaborate with my team on projects.
Do you commute by car?
Yes, I drive to work every day.
Do you fold laundry?
Yes, I fold laundry in the evenings.
Do you vacuum the house?
Yes, I vacuum once a week.
Do you wash dishes after meals?
Yes, I wash them right after eating.
Do you change your bed sheets?
Yes, I change them every weekend.
Do you organize your closet?
Yes, I organize it once a month.
Do you drink enough water daily?
Yes, I aim to drink 8 glasses of water.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, I take a multivitamin every morning.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you stretch in the morning?
Yes, I do a quick stretching routine.
Do you walk after meals?
Yes, I take a short walk after dinner.
Do you reply to messages quickly?
Yes, I try to reply as soon as I can.
Do you scroll through social media?
Yes, I check social media during my breaks.
Do you meet new people often?
Yes, I meet new people at work.
Do you attend events?
Yes, I go to local events on weekends.
Do you play board games?
Yes, I play board games with friends sometimes.